The garden in winter. Color in winter. Yes, you can have it all. I wandered through my garden to select the plants that I wanted to put into this large container. I wanted contrast of color and contrast of texture. This mahonia, evergreen mahonia, is such a fantastic plant. Grows with a lot of shade too. Has beautiful, beautiful flowers in the winter time. And then when the flowers are finished, gets beautiful deep blue berries, which the birds eat. Contrasting with that, again, an evergreen, is the beautiful cypress that's back here. There's deep, deep green, and then the blue-green of the blue atlas cedar. We also have a great contrast with the color of the nandina. I do love nandina in the garden, and the berries are beautiful, although I haven't used them in this. And there's also a deep maroon back here from the pieris japonica. Now, a great contrast and beautiful in the garden are the ornamental grasses. This particular one is really very airy, and I love the curlicues of the grasses. Up above that, I wanted some stems, but I wanted them to be interesting. And so I went to my deciduous magnolia and I picked some beautiful branches from that. And it has the swelling buds that says spring will come.